Welcome to the Kaiju basement where there's no such thing as a rainy day. Box day, baby. Let's go. I don't know what this is, by the way. Whoa! It's the Queen Coral, bro! Yeah, let's go! 1974 Godzilla versus Mechagodzilla. It's the ship. Whoa! It's a model kit, y'all. Check this out. Wow! I don't think it's actually the Queen Coral, but it's as close as you can get. So we'll be keeping you updated on that build. It's raining pretty good out here, but we're enjoying it. Thanks for stopping by for my latest box day, and we'll catch you guys later. Peace!